To start off then with your treatments and ask you kind of about like your diamond in the rough products. So like what product you buy that you see no one maybe possibly uses in their office that's been a big advantage to your practice.
So I think the biggest thing, like the diamond in the rough, I would say it's using photography. So we actually have a studio in the practice. So we have a professional studio. We have a room that is doing that. And we're using photography to, first of all, get all the records. So communicate with the patient what's going on and what the concerns are. So they're really impressed with that because we have really nice records that show them their condition so we can discuss that properly. And also we've been doing photo shoots for patients. So after they've done treatment, I can get a makeup artist coming in if the patient's interested, obviously, and we'll do a fashion shoot. So that was really cool for patients. And I don't think that many dentists are doing that.
Yeah, I don't think so either. I think it was really neat that you've added that into your practice. I actually saw that on your Instagram. That's what kind of lured me in to see, like, hear about your technology. And I went onto your website and kind of read some things. So thanks for sharing that. When you do your pictures, what camera are you using? Just for, like, other doctors and dentists out there that are wanting to possibly get started into doing that.
I have a Canon 6D, but I think, it doesn't necessarily matter what camera you use as long as it's a DSLR. There's a lot of different options on the market, but that's the one I like. You have to have the light setup and the correct lens. There's a lot of courses as well available on photography to learn how to do that, but that's the one I use basically.
The pictures you take are just beautiful of your patient's teeth. I really like some of their images. Like I've seen like one of your like people who had their braces and she had took those off and I really liked that image. It was really pretty. And then I wanted to ask you also, the next question is like, are no risk, no reward. So like, what was a big investment of time or money and technology that was a big payoff for you?
I really love my intraoral scanner.
Okay.
So, they are an investment for sure. And we've started scanning everybody who's coming in. So when they're coming in for their cleaning, their first exam, we're trying to do a scan of their teeth. And, it's not just about sending things digitally and not having to use UPS or whatever to send out cases. It's been a really great communication tool for patients because they're watching their scan being taken, they're seeing their teeth, they can see their inflammation, their calculus, and then they're a lot more motivated to start dental treatment because they see their teeth like we see. I think that's a big deal.